I'm gonna save some room in here. This one's empty. And this one's empty. This one is my wrench drawer, which is full. Which there's no more room in there, like I said. But then socket drawer, I can get... Let me see how many. Then I need 2 3/8 drive rails for here to save even more room, hopefully. Here. And which then will make it to where I can have even more tools in this one. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about that. And then I saved some room by putting my electric screwdriver and all my screwdrivers in Phillips. No, all my Phillips head screwdrivers and my flatheads. So yeah, there's all that room. So, honestly thinking about it, I need to buy the 2 magnetic attachments and 3 3/8 drive rails. And then everything will be set to go. That's still the same. This is completely empty. This one's full. This one's full. This one's still got plenty of room. This is 3/8 job. I need 3 3/8 drive rails as well to clear up even more room. And then that's pretty much it for that one. This one is the best I can get it for now. And then I can show you the last 2, even though those are empty. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload. That should make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes videos where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.